So now let's begin about how to find an idea for a new business, or how to find an idea for your actual business in order to adapt it with the new situation. So let's speak about. Today, I try to speak to you about how to avoid to have some problems in the creation of your new business. Try to develop a business, however it can be an existing business or a new business. It's always about finding the good idea. Finding the good idea that can allow you to have a success. So now in general the population try to find an idea based on what's said actually in the business schools about marketing, which is based on a sentence that say you have to cover a need, or you have to create a need, which is not really true and not really false. Why? Because when you speak to university people or people who make research, they will tell you yes. But when you speak with field people who try to get an idea for business, who find a good idea for business or drive a good business, they will tell you no. We don't need to create a need. We don't need to think about these things. Just find an idea and try to develop it. It's not a creation of the need, because the need exists already in every one of us. We can be a customer of a product, of any product. The question here is, if I have an idea and I use it to open a business, what is the impact of this idea in the society? This is the most important thing in order to open a business or to develop an existing one. If you have this kind of behavior, be sure you will be successful. What I want to tell you is that it is very important to link your idea with the field. It's very important to link your idea with what happened really in the society, with the economic situation, with the actual one. It's not only about finding an idea and try to open a business and to cover a need as told by a lot of marketing people. I don't agree with that. And in general, it's to find an idea and try to link it with the existing situation and try to find how to bring a help and not to cover a link, because not to cover a need. I mean, because the need exists already, we have just to clean it and to bring something that can be positive for the society. Let's speak about the most important emotion for human behavior, which is the fear. So, if you try to speak with this fear and to cover the need, as said by marketing people, and try to help, to bring some help for this fear, I can tell you something, is that here, if you try to avoid population from the effect of having a fear, you will bring a good idea that can be helpful for humanity, that can be a good idea for business. Okay, let's say it like this. Success starts here. So, what I'm trying to tell you is that You can have a good idea that can bring you to success if you try to cover a problem, not a need, but a problem. So you check in your society, you check in your environment, you check in your living area, in whatever, in your experience of life, and you will find certainly some problems that you face in your life, in your society, and in your environment. Bringing a solution to this kind of problem is bringing a successful business to this life. What I want to tell you here is just try to solve a problem. Don't try to create a need. Don't try to find a solution for a need. Try to solve an existing problem that disturbs you in your life, that disturbs your family, your environment, the people, the population that you know. And like this, believe me, you will be successful. Other thing that I can tell you is that if you try to find the best idea in the world, forget about it. You will not find it. It's not because you are bad. It's just because it's something very rare and it's difficult to say it and to admit it. Finding an idea is good. Developing an idea is better, because what makes an idea bring in a business to success is the work that you will do after finding your idea. Good luck.